Right now, we're seeing a notable spike in sentiment around software, with a score of plus 0.43, well above the historical baseline. This isn't just any uptick. It's accompanied by a momentum of plus 0.25 and 17 semantic clusters, indicating a robust conversation brewing. What does this mean for you? Our API returns a comprehensive analysis of sentiment trends, allowing you to pinpoint exactly what's driving these shifts. Imagine integrating this into your development workflow to refine your product based on real-time user feedback. For instance, if you're launching a new feature, you can gauge immediate reactions and adjust your strategy accordingly. Explore how to leverage this data for your projects at pulsebit.lojenterprise.com/docs. Uncover insights that fuel your development decisions today.